Who we calling?
Snelling.
Miss Smith? No?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hi. What's your name?
It's Lakin Snelling.
Snail. Okay. Ma'am, are you Lake and Snail?
Yes.
Is it Snelling?
Snelling.
Okay, we're gonna call 26 CR 209. Ms. Snelling, you are here today for formal arraignment. And Mr. Lowry, are you going to be the attorney of record?
Mr. Nash and I are.
As long
attorneys
as, and well as Mr. Nash. And I have a
Not-
Brandon Marshall. Is he in it
Mr.
as well?
Marshall.
I'm Marshall. Your Honor.
You're Marshall, not Nash.
Thinking about
Okay.
another case I've got with Mr. Nash later this morning. So that's
All righty.
Mr. Marshall.
And who's gonna be the Commonwealth?
We are.
All righty, Ms. Nash, Mr. Okay, thank you. And Mr. Lowry, are we going to waive formal reading of the indictment?
We are in or not guilty.
All right, this is where things get real strategic. The defense just entered a not guilty plea and waived the formal reading of the indictment that tells us they already know the charges inside out. Now the focus shifts to pretrial, where most cases are quietly negotiated. So the big question is, does this end in a deal, or are we heading toward a full-blown trial?
Guilty plea. Your Honor asked for a pretrial date. I believe we've agreed on May 14th as a pretrial date, the status date following that.
May 14th.
The Commonwealth has given us discovery. We've given them reciprocal already.
Yeah, and then my next available status date would either be June 12th, June 26th.
June 12th, fine.
Okay, 6/12. Ms. Snelling, you are currently out on a posted bond. Continue to comply with the terms of your bond conditions, no further violations of the law. We will see you back on 2 dates. You have a pretrial scheduled for May the 14th. That's when you and your attorneys will meet with the Commonwealth to determine if there's any resolution of this sort of a trial. And then we will come back and see me for a status hearing on June the 12th, and that will be at 8:30. Okay? Anything else from the Commonwealth?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Lakin Snelling.
Yes, sir. Good morning, ma'am. You are Lakin Snelling? Okay, yes, sir.
Your Honor, we're prepared to waive this in the grand jury. The county attorney's office is advised us they will give us all. I'll do separately now.
Ms. Snelling, you just heard your attorney state that it's your desire to waive this matter to the Fayette County Grand Jury. You understood you got a right to have a preliminary hearing this morning, but it is your desire to waive this matter at this time. I know that you have posted in electronic monitoring, residing with parents, all of that's still in place, correct? Okay, all right. So, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And here's the key takeaway: both defendants are waiving their preliminary hearings, pushing these cases straight to the grand jury. That's a high-stakes move. No early challenge to the evidence, just a fast track forward. Now everything depends on what happens behind closed doors, so what do you think, strategy or risk?
Mr. Chandler, number 7 on your docket. Cool. At this matter, I've explained to you what the process will be for preliminary hearing. We're going to waive that preliminary hearing today, submit these matters to the grand jury and change for the 235, or whatever they call these things.
I know exactly. Good morning, sir. You are Christopher David Chandler. And you just heard your attorney, Mr. Richardson, state your desire to waive this matter to the Fayette County Grand Jury at this time.
Yes, ma'am.
You know you have a right to have a